During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Allen, Auglaize, Defiance, Hancock, Hardin, Logan, Mercer, Paulding, Putnam, Shelby, Van Wert, and Wyandotte. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 93 Clydersville, Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This is the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Weather conditions at the Allen County Airport under fair skies. The temperature was 51 degrees and the relative humidity 44%. The wind southeast at 13 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 30.12 inches and steady. And now the conditions for selected cities in Ohio and Indiana. In Dayton Fair at 55. And Toledo Fair at 49. In Fenway Fair at 50. At Van Wert Fair at 52. In Defiance Fair at 50. In Columbus, partly sunny at 53. And over northeast Ohio, Cleveland, partly sunny at 45. Once again at 11 a.m. at the Lima Allen County Airport, it was 51 degrees under fair skies. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. A warm front lift through the upper Ohio Valley region, providing a notable warming trend through Thursday. Dry conditions will persist in this period as well before rain chances return Thursday night into Friday ahead of a cold front. With a slow progressing cold front, rain showers will linger into the start of the weekend and temperatures decrease back below climate geological normals. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for West Central Ohio. Rest of today, mostly sunny. Warmer with highs in the lower 70s. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Warmer with lows in the mid-50s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Unseasonably warm with highs around 80. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy in the evening, and mostly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%.